In this video, we're going to learn about square of a binomial. How we are going to solve a square of a binomial. We're going to consider the two rules of a square of a binomial. First, we have a plus b squared will give us a plus b times a plus b. And then after that, we will do the FOIL method. So we will give us a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. Then we'll give this product a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The other one, a minus b squared. Therefore, we'll have a minus b times a minus b, which gives us a squared minus ab minus ab plus b squared. And then the product will give us, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So these are the two rules that we need to consider in doing square of a binomial. Let's try some example. Example number 1. If we have x minus 5 squared, so what will be the product? Then we will have now x minus 5 times x minus 5. So this one will give us x squared minus 5x minus 5x plus 25. So therefore, the product is equals to x squared minus 10x plus 25. So going back to our formula, a minus b squared will give us a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So the value of here, this one will be our a, this one will be our b. So therefore we get a squared, which is x squared. And then after that, a b times 2. So a times b times 2 will give us 10x. And then after that, b squared, so negative 5 squared will give us 25. Another, let's see x plus 3 squared. This one will give us x plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so therefore we will have now x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Then we'll get x squared plus 6x plus 9. So going back to rule number 1, we get a plus b squared. That will give us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So as can you see, x is our a, this one will be our a, this one will be our b. So x squared plus 2ab, which means a times b times 2. So therefore we will have 3x times 2 will get 6x. And then after that, b squared will give us 3 times 3 equal to 9. Okay, another example. For example, we have 2x plus 3 times 2x minus 3. What will be the product? So we will get now 4x squared. The other one, we have minus 6x plus 6x, okay, minus 9. So therefore, we can have here as 4x squared minus 9. Okay, So this one now we can have as same as written. Okay, we can have this one as 2x squared minus 3 squared. Okay, so this one a squared minus b squared will give us the result of, okay, if we have a squared minus b squared will give us 2x plus 3 times, okay, 2x minus 3. This one in the rule of a squared minus b squared will give us a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so we have to follow this rule. Another example. What if we will have x plus 5 times x minus 5? What will be the product? So therefore, we will have now x squared minus 5x, okay, plus 5x minus 25. So therefore, we get x squared minus 25, or we can write that one as x squared minus 5 squared. That will define our rule. A squared minus b squared will give us a plus b, a minus b, right? So this one now, x squared minus 5 squared will give us the same result as a plus b, a minus b. Another example. If we have 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2, what will be the product? So therefore, we'll have now 9x squared minus 6x plus 6x plus 4. So therefore, we will have now 9x squared, cancel out 6x and plus 6x, plus 4. Okay. Oh, so here we get this one as minus, because positive and negative will give us minus 4. And then we can form now into 3x squared minus 2 squared. So in the form again of a squared minus b squared. And then we can have now a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so therefore, when you're going to multiply a binomial, we're going to use only a FOIL method. Last one, we'll give an example. We have 2x minus 1 squared. So we can get the product now as 2x plus 1 times, or we say this one now will become, this one is minus, so therefore we will have 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. So what will be the product? We get 4x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 1. The product will give us 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay, another example. What if we will have x minus 4 squared? What will be the product? So we can have x squared, okay, multiply these two will give us x times negative 4, so that is 4x, and x times negative 4, that will give us negative 8x plus 16. Okay, so therefore we will have that as x minus 4 times x minus 4. So x times x will give us x squared. X times negative 4 will give us negative 4x. Negative 4x times x we get, or negative 4 times x will give us negative 4x, and then negative 4 plus times negative 4 will give us plus 16. And then we combine like terms, so therefore we can have now the final answer x squared minus 8x plus 16. Okay, so again, we'll review our formulas. So we have x plus or a plus b squared will give us a plus b times a plus b equal to a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. That will give us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And then a minus b squared will give us a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And then the other one, we have a squared minus b squared will give us a plus b times a minus b. Thank you and have a nice day to everyone.